How to use OTADisabler to disable OTA updates on? Welcome to KekukTech. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll show you how to use OTADisabler to disable OTA updates and remove those annoying update badges on your iOS device. Let's get started. What is OTADisabler? OTADisabler is a free tweak that prevents over-the-air OTA updates on iOS devices and removes update badges from the Settings app. It's compatible with iOS 9 to iOS 18 and works with jailbreaks like Yalu, Uncover, Checkroun, Odyssey, Peleron, and more. Next, step 1, Prerequisites. Before starting, ensure the following. 1. Your device is jailbroken. OTADisabler depends on Cydia Substrate or mobilesubstrate. 2. Install a package manager like Cydia, Sileo, or Zebra. 3. If you're on iOS 12.2 with Uncover, turn off the Disable Updates option in the jailbreak settings. Step 2. Delete existing OTA data. 1. Go to Settings, General, Storage and iCloud Usage. 2. Tap Manage Storage. 3. Find the OTA update data and delete it. Step 3. Install OTADisabler. 1. Open your jailbreak package manager Cydia. 2. Add the following repo, h/cydia.ichitaso.com. 3. Search for OTADisabler and install it. Step 4. Remove the update badge. 1. After installation, you'll notice the update badge disappears from the Settings app. 2. If the badge persists, try the following commands. LD restart in terminal or via power selector. Launch CTL, reboot user space, reboot your device. Share optional, tvOS beta profile for additional stability. For iOS 16 or later, installing the tvOS beta profile is recommended to avoid errors in the software update section of settings. You can install the profile from sladia.ichitaso.com/, re-enabling OTA updates. If you ever want to restore OTA updates, 1. Uninstall the OTADisabler package. 2. Run the following commands to reset. Launch CTL reboot user space. Reboot your device. For Troolstore users, if you're using Troolstore on iOS 14 to 18, download the OTADisabler 1.20 IPA file and sideload it via Troolstore. You can get it from OTADisabler 1.2.0.0.com. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully disabled OTA updates and removed the pesky update badge. This tweak is an excellent way to protect your jailbreak and enjoy a hassle-free iOS experience. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe to KekukTech for more jailbreak tips and tweaks. See you in the next video.